Hey everyone, and welcome back to Dashcam Diaries. This motorcyclist is trying to tie the straps on his backpack while in traffic, but he isn't able to and has to remove his gloves, starting some serious road rage.
Why you playing with me? Why you playing with me?
All right, hold up. Hey, bro.
What's
My
up?
glove came off. I didn't mean to disrespect you. I didn't mean to do that. You saw my hand go like this? That's all it was, bro.
Get on, bro.
What happened?
Get on. This is my neighborhood.
You're dismissing me? That's messed up, bro.
You got cameras and shit on me, bro. Don't record me. Don't record me, bro. Don't record. I'll break your motherfucking camera. Well, get it off me. Get it off me.
I'm looking that way, bro. If anything, this is a live feed. It's a live feed, bro. What happened?
Get on.
That's all messed up, bro. I was being nothing but nice to you. I'm being nothing but nice to you. All right, bro. You could have done all that. All fucking bad.
This car cuts across two lanes to make a left turn, and then when he isn't happy the camera doesn't let him in front, he tries to ram a 1-ton truck off the road.
Okay, Google. Call 911.
Even when the light is green, there can be a reason to look left and right.
Whoa. Wow. My God.
Yeah, you caught it, right?
Yeah, caught it. Yeah, wow.
Should I call? No?
The car in front has some sort of issue moving, and as these cars are on a conveyor car wash, the car behind the camera is getting pushed into her rear bumper. Here's another driver who's drifting in between lanes and eventually hits the barrier. That text you received should always wait until the car is stopped. If you look to the left here, you can clearly see multiple vehicles going too fast for the conditions. Have you ever got the feeling when you're driving that the car beside or behind you isn't paying attention? In circumstances like this, it's best to give them a lot of room and make sure to become aware that you are there.
It's okay, Anthony.
Yeah.
This is a great example of what can happen at any second when you're driving over the speed limit in snowy conditions.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This SUV goes straight from the lane to turn left, and a simple honk of the horn starts a road rage incident.
What the are you doing? Get the out of here. Yeah. You went straight through on the corner. I'm going to work. I'm going to work, buddy. Get back in your car.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Dashcam Diaries.